What is going on YouTube? Hayden here, and in today's episode, we need to look at XRP. We're going to be looking at Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as Solana, and then the S&P 500. So very, very, very big moves, big swings taking place across the cryptocurrency markets, including the stock market here. As you can see briefly, kind of what we were expecting to see happen actually happened, and we are now starting to correct to the downside here. And it's not just happening within the stock market, it's happening with every cryptocurrency. If I just scale this up just a hair here, you can see now we just opened the market about an hour ago here, and we've now started a descent, a correction here. We kind of figured that something like this was bound to happen. I feel like my hair looks weird. Was bound to happen as we were retesting major resistance right here, and we've had some trouble in the past breaking through it. We figured this wasn't going to happen, and here we are now rejecting off that and pulling to the downside. What we're now seeing is a chain reaction where something like Solana is seeing a correction here. Rejection off resistance and correction back down. XRP is starting to see that. As of yesterday, we closed below support, and today we're having some problems. Very good chance correction is going to take place. Ethereum retesting bottom support here. Bitcoin, same exact thing, very close to breaking through that and falling. Stock market doing the same thing. So lots to go over in today's episode, lots to discuss. Very excited. Hopefully you are too. So with that all being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. Now, I do have some good news from BYDFI here. As you guys can see, you get a chance to trade for a chance to win a Rolex and a lot of other really cool gifts here. This is actually very different than I've seen BYDFI do in the past. Typically, it's with trading bonuses or it's with free crypto deposits, but they're doing something a bit different. Now, the rules and everything is going to be on the landing page down in the description. It's the first link here, but you can see with trading volume of 1,000 mil and then so and so forth, you can see that these are the gifts that you can win. I guess it's a chance to win it here, and these are how you can get entered to do that. So there's definitely some here that after watching the trading competition, I can easily see a lot of you guys getting a chance to get an iPad, iPhone 16, and maybe even some other things here. But just wanted to put this out there to let you guys know. At the bare minimum, a lot of you guys can easily get AirPods or possibly the trading bonus without a doubt here. So make sure to check it out with the link down in the description below. And moving forward from that, looking at some of these cryptocurrencies here, I actually want to start off with looking at the channel, and then I want to look at the coin market cap. We made a video yesterday talking about how this could be the final rally. One last chance to see that pump to the upside. I still am a firm believer that that could happen here. If we jump to the coin market cap, you can see how crypto is down. We're actually starting to see the descent. 54 in the fear and greed index looks unbelievable. Finally at a neutral playing field here, and cryptos are starting to stagnate and stall and dip a little bit further. Nothing to write home about. Like, we're down only 1% here, and you can see for the most part, we're down where we were prior. So it's really nothing that's like, oh, bear market, oh, correction here. But we are starting to slide lower, and this could, today's Friday, so we'll see how this weekend plays out here, but this could start us to divvy downwards here. As I've said in the past, we have a beautiful bull flag forming on XRP, major uptrend followed by a lower high, lower low pattern here. As we fill in this gap, what we are looking at is kind of like a bridge to cross, and you can see how XRP has been using this support, walking on a tightrope across this, and the goal is if we can get across, we can rally out. If not, and we fall off, there's a good chance we will perish and drop to the downside here. And it seems like that's the general direction we want to move to. Now, I don't plan on trading inside this fractal, at least at the current position that we're at on XRP. Some of you guys could. Some of you guys could easily, trade on the dips that happen within the fractal. I'm waiting more so for either one of these to break. If we can confirm closure above or below one of these resistances, that to me screams buying opportunity. So that's what I'm waiting for that break to take place, and then I can buy in and long or short the XRP specifically here. So that's what I'm paying attention to. We're starting to see us just divvy below this support, which we haven't done. I mean, yesterday was closure below support here. That to me shows signs of possible correction. So keep your eyes peeled on XRP as we enter this weekend here. The weekend usually means we die off on volume, so there's a chance we could consolidate, but anything can happen. I'd hope we can at least make it past this weekend, and then Monday we can start off with a dump, but definitely something to consider and to think about here. Now, aside from the cool gifts that they're giving away for the Christmas and for New Year's here, which is really interesting, I'll ask you more about this here. I'll get more info for the next episode. But in regards to BYDFI here, there's still an opportunity for you guys to get the traditional trading bonus and the demo trading account. For those that don't know, they offer a bonus when you sign up with the link down in the description to get exclusive rewards. New Year's reward up to $8,100. That means $100 in free crypto to anyone who signs up as bonus. And then a bonus up to $8,000 in free crypto from deposits. So you can like hit both of them here. You can claim some of this and some of this all at the same time, which is super cool. There's daily rewards that they offer, which resets every day, and then you can exchange your BYD points for bonus money here. You can see 100, 500, 100, 10, 50, 100. I don't know what's wrong with me while I'm reading it wrong. And this can be leveraged, and a little goes a long way. You'd be surprised. They then have exclusive rewards and hot rewards, which I need to check out. I keep saying that here. And then on top of that, they have a demo trading account, which gives you $50,000 in demo money, like Monopoly money, to practice your skills, get familiar with the exchange, learn how everything works, and then when you're ready, you can head on over to the live trading account and use your bonus money to play around and trade around. You can see right here, any profits earned off the bonus wallet, you can withdraw completely free, which is very cool. I've tried it in the past and it does work, which is excellent. You can actually convert it right into your normal wallet and then withdraw that out, which is excellent here. So definitely make sure to check them out down in the description below. But aside from XRP's bull flag, look at Solana. Another reason to say, hey, we're probably going to start to descend and head lower here. Beautiful uptrend followed by lower high, lower lows, filling in this gap quite nicely, starting to dip and slide to the downside here. What we're looking for is a rebound. Now, I don't think we're going to like fall off a cliff or anything and start like streamlining to the downside here. Possible, yes. Likely, I don't think so. But if anything, a major rebound here, and then we could head up higher is what I expect or can anticipate within a lot of these cryptos, because I'm still very bullish with one last possible rally or intent to rally within Solana and and XRP fairly soon. I do think it's a very likely possibility and scenario to see happen within both those cryptocurrencies, because they're still within a very beautiful technical indicator that screams bull flag to me. As for these other cryptocurrencies, things get weird. Now, we saw XRP and Solana have potential to slide lower. That's not the case for Ethereum and Bitcoin here. Ethereum is out of support here. We could rebound and head lower, but more than likely, if that does happen, I think we're going to hopefully hold out. I think we're going to hang out here, hopefully not dip too low below this and reverse back to the upside and kind of hang out exactly where we are. The same thing I would say is possible for Bitcoin. Or at least, honestly, the way I'm looking at this, all these cryptocurrencies kind of have room to head a little bit lower. XRP, so does Solana. Bitcoin does too. Ethereum's the only one that could consolidate, but it could easily dip lower than that too. So that's going to be interesting. Bitcoin, though, looks to be like it could retest here and kind of hang out this. That could send us downwards as we're in an ascending broadening wedge. So that's a big possibility. So things are in the air right now. Things are a bit crazy, a bit hectic. Let's let the rest of the weekend play out, and then we'll touch base on like Saturday and Monday to kind of see what exactly is forming here, because there's a good chance of a possible correction here. But I'm hoping, at least with these main cryptos, that we just rebound and we still play out within a bull flag formation and inevitably head higher. Stock market looks like it could head lower too. Like, we're probably going to close where we are today, but we could easily see this correction here. I've been calling it. I could actually extend this out a little more, where I believe we can see the stock market headed to. Something along the lines of that is where I think is a very big possibility for something like the stock market. So lots of things need to correct back down, but I also think that there's a chance for one more run before we see the bear market like we've seen after every bull run in history within crypto. So that's it for today's video. Smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.